Welcome to PZ classes. Here I am having the students, and it is the decision actually. It will be based on that the online and the offline shopping. It can be which is better. It can be either online or offline. So let's see their opinion. What do they think about it? So let's know about everybody's opinion towards that the online and offline shopping. Let's see today here.
Hello everyone, this is Khushi Patil and I prefer offline shopping because in offline shopping we can see the product, the quality of the product, and as well as we can grow the economy of the our society and all that, and we can help the our knowing person. And if I talk about online shopping, we have seen many scams and frauds on that, so I prefer offline shoppings.
Yes.
Anybody?
So it's me Rajpal Patel, and I always prefer to offline shopping because it is a very we go randomly in any shop and you can buy easily, and if you talk about so bargaining, so you can easily bargaining. And if you talk about online shopping, so there is a much and more time you will it will take to deliver. And if you talk about there is a expensive products, so that is a point. So I all prefer to offline shopping.
Next. Anybody can speak anytime. You can speak from there. You want to say something?
Yes, sir. I think offline shopping is better because we don't have time, so we can. नहीं यार.
There is no need to worry. Whatever you want to say, you can say. Okay, ना वो उधर वो नहीं है ना.
We don't have time, so that time is offline shopping is better.
I agree with you. Online shopping better than offline shopping. Offline shopping is you saw you realized physical touch and things, and you see physical. Then you saw qualities things. Then you buy. You purchased. So I realized online shopping I purchased. So do not good qualities sign something.
Next.
Hello everyone, it's me Priya Fulmali. I prefer to of online shopping because online shopping is very easily, and you do not have time, and you search in many types variety clothes and homes decoration and you invest money and that's your purchase.
But sir,
Yeah.
but there is a risk of fraud such as a credit card scam and during online shopping.
Next.
I totally disagree with you because we have seen lots of time there are lots of schemes and fraud are available in online shopping, and I always prefer offline shopping because if we do offline shopping, so we can easily bargaining, we can easily touch the product, we can see small fault easily, and compare than online shopping. So it will take more time for deliver the product. So I always prefer offline shopping.
You depend your online purchase कि आप कहाँ से ले रहे हो platform.
But lots of fraud sites are easily available on internet.
I know, but sometime मतलब ऐसा हर बार नहीं होता है.
Doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen
It happens
really.
It happens rarely.
It's happened really.
It happens
It is happens
rarely. Rarely.
really.
Okay.
But it happens in offline cases also. If you compare both of the things, it happens in offline cases also. Like most of the time, if we brought any sari or any electronic gadgets, we just totally see very good conditions in at home. Then we realize that it's a defective piece. So
Return policy. You have 7 days return policy.
कंडीशन ही जो है नॉट नॉलेज. अगर आपके पास नॉलेज नहीं है किसी चीज को लेने का, सो डू नॉट परचेज. सही परचेज नहीं कर सकते.
You can't,
Can't
buy
buy.
right thing. Yeah, you can do it. Next candidate, who want to say something? You want to speak?
Anyone?
Speak.
Sir, I prefer online shopping because I am unable to come big cities for purchase uh, clothes and anything. So I can easily order online uh, and क्या वो ऑर्डर कर देगा मतलब सर
We can order easily.
we can order easily and get easily it.
We can order and we can order from anywhere.
We can order anywhere and get easily at my home.
Sir, I totally agree with him because most of the branded options are available only on online platforms only. Like Zudio, Zara. In Khandwa, we are not available for Zudio, Zara, and Nike's brands also. So for that, we have to visit online only. And if we are available for offline, the branded products they may be expired or for long time kept it.
But compare than online shopping, if we do offline shopping, so we learn more things like bargaining, how to communicate to shopkeeper. So it's very important in our lives.
How bargain is an way of communication, like.
Because
You can do it.
if you are bargaining, so you learn more things like how to low price, and you will learn how to communicate each other. You
It can
you
get
see
on the
lots of
sales
other people's.
also. It can get it online by the sales.
But it will
Sales
ta-
and offers, all that.
But you will find only like cashback like 40 to 50 rupees in online. But if you are bargaining, if you have capable for bargaining, if you have ability to bargaining, so you will take a
It will that point only, na?
150
You will get cashback.
150.
And by the bargaining, you will save the money.
But now shopkeeper is a fixed rate. Every shopkeepers, not bargaining. वहाँ already वो
But
fixed
there is
rate.
but there is a disadvantage in online shopping. It will take like 7 to 8 days for deliver the project for the product.
For every function, we have well prepared, like pre-planned we have. So we know that how many days before we have to buy it.
But someone wants the product now. So how can it possible in online shopping?
For Amazon and Myntra, they are available in 1 day delivery or 2 day delivery. So we can buy from it.
But Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, there are 4 to 5 are eligible, and there are like a good and trusted sites are available on internet.
Exactly.
But there are lots of fake websites are already available
It's
because
depend on you that how you buy all the product on which platform. It may be trusted or it may be a low rated platform.
I don't think.
Next, ma'am, what do you think?
Sir, offline shopping is better because offline shoppings are many product see, touch, and physically realized कि product is good and bad, and view quality,
We check the quality.
which is the quality, and bargaining product.
We can bargain.
We can bargain.
We can do bargaining.
We can do bargaining, and I can buy one product, but I see many products, so buy many product, and online shoppings are one product see and one product detail, so one product sale, one product buy, and of online shoppings have save your time, but offline shoppings just buy just this is जब चाहिए we want when we want we are and something, so just go market in just buy it, but online shoppings it is not possible because 5 to 7 days days
Replacement policy is
days
there.
नहीं
Replacement
replacement
policy is
policy in year,
Yeah.
so
Swati.
I think offline shopping is best because we can do less amount in offline shopping, and we can buy so many things, so many varieties in offline shopping.
Ma'am, what do you think?
Sir, I prefer to offline shopping because I go to market and visit many shops. I really enjoy it. I go to any shop and I see the product. I see the product and choose better product. Sir, I bargaining the shopkeeper. So I really enjoyed offline shop. Go to market and I really enjoy it.
Anybody else?
But nowadays some people so busy because सब job holder. तो सर क्या बोलेंगे? Any peoples are job holder. Most of people are job holder. You have no time. So online shopping is better because he comfort. It will be comfort. Forest. We can buy any product by selling, and your point of view ki product is touching and see. So online shoppings are मतलब उसमें भी सारी ऑप्शन रहता है एंड पूरी डिटेल मेंशन रहती है. We'll have description also, size, length, color. So I think better online.
I agree with you, but you don't have knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, अगर आपके पास knowledge है तो आप उसको buy कर सकते हो. You do not.
No, but online shoppings are many detail mention are.
But you do not read. आप उसे पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हो, उसको समझ नहीं पा रहे हो. So all person do not literate. Anyway, हर जगह पे do not. So all person do have mobile but do not literate. वो शिक्षित नहीं है. So do not have knowledge. उसके पास knowledge नहीं है. वो नहीं समझ पा रहा है कि कैसे बाय करना है, इसकी क्या क्वालिटी है, वो क्या बोल रहा है. So I realized.
Then he or she will be go to offline only, but we are talking about who can operate the online shopping.
Yes, if you have knowledge, अगर आपके पास knowledge है तो आप purchase कर सकते हो online. That's enough.
But sir, branded clothes and products like to Nykaa and beauty product are not available in Khandwa city, and duplicate product here. So branded product, makeup product, and any clothes by side of Nykaa and Amazon. I need to wallpaper my home, but I go Khandwa market, so here not available, and I want to जो मुझे चाहिए था. I want to what I want this wallpaper, but here is not available. So I ordered it. My ordered is Flipkart, and so बहुत अच्छा है sir.
That was good.
That was good. Okay sir.
Anybody else?